Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion inventory management with templates in 2025. Start with an inventory tracker template from Notion gallery or community. These templates are designed to help you log products, SQIs, categories, suppliers, stock levels, and reorder dates. Right out of the box. They give you a clean structure to keep everything organized. You can customize the template to fit your needs, for example, add fields for unique costs, selling prices, warehouses, locations, or even barcodes. Tagging items by categories or suppliers makes searching items and filtering super quick. Switch between different views depending on what you need. A table view for detailed stock info, a gallery view for product images, or a board view to track inventory status. To go further, link your inventory tracker with related databases like supplier management, sales records, or billing trackers. This way, every update on order or shipment automatically keeps your stock levels accurate. And that's it, how you can stay on the top of products, avoid shortage, and streamlines operations with Notion inventory management template in 2025. Thanks everyone for watching.